What is good, YouTube? Thank you for coming back in for another video. It's your boy called Chris. I know it's been a long time, I know, but today we are back with another rep review for you guys. Full fashion, full avant-garde. These needed for the summer, in my opinion. Beautiful. Rick Owen, Hollywood, Dark Shadow. We're going Dark Shadow, Hollywood, whatever the case may be. From my good old and lovely friends at max.ru. Feel me? Thank you. Shout out to them. And basically, we're just going to check out these are legit. In my opinion, this is the best replica website, sneaker website for shoes, clothing, everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into these. You feel me?
What? It's just an ordinary crabby.
Right off the back, the box came clean, straight up, no damages, all gray Rick Owens minimalistic vibe, you feel me? So ain't nothing crazy about the box. So inside that box we got the Rick Owen Dark Shadow, all black, and that beautiful tan. I only freaking listen to techno or the raves kind of look, you feel me? Like this is avant-gardeness. Look at that beautiful. Oh my goodness. The impressions, these are tough. These are actually pretty tough. Looking at the shape, there's no problem with the toe box at all. It's nice and slim. It's giving you exaggerated Rick, you feel me? It's not looking too cartoonish, boxy like some budget reps do. It's actually a great sizing, great look all around. The distressing as well is key. Rick Owens always have a little bit of distressing into it, making sure that detail stays up. It's great. Get a close up on that stitching. Stitching all around is absolutely amazing. Suede looks great. Decent, not buttery, but solid. Midsole has that signature Rick vibe. Chunky, definitely wearable, beatable. Love Ricks like this. The branding for it, just a little bit of branding just on the sizing. This is a size 47, like I said. Everything about this shoe is amazing. Worn once, the comfortability is there. It's just a little bit tight. Needs to break in a little bit, like this back. The heel is perfect, but it's a little bit stiff. Everywhere else, it has a good shape, like I said. No branding on this, which is really great. It's just the shape and the quality that you gotta make sure and look out for, which Kickmax does. If you just get into rips and you don't want to drop a cool band, you don't want to drop a little ticket, these are great, you feel me? What I will be having soon is the real pair to do a comparison side by side for you guys. I have a good old sneaker connect, show y'all the difference. So if you really want this or the real pair, you can make that decision for yourself. Final thoughts, these reps are legit. One-to-one damn near, you feel me? They hold up against the real in my opinion. Quality is there, absolutely amazing. Shout out Kickmax. Unless Rick himself is face to face with you, at your toes, nobody's gonna be checking you. I'll definitely be running back when I get the real pair in hand, a little comparison for you guys, so look out for that. Enough with these, let's go ahead and see what these look like.
Kicked up, counting up bands, pulling up foes. Just about to bulletproof lamb, suicide doors. 100 bands on my neck, it got me froze. How you mad at me when she chose? I'm popping, you not. Took me some time, but I got it hot. What's on my hip, you know that I got it. Hit if I start now, I'm smoking exotic. Nothing but good gas and drink on my body. You need it, I got it. I fuck up the city. Walk in the club, I'm changing the climate. She fell in love, she loving my diamonds. Chopper go bang bang, feel like I'm money. I'm busting off perkins and I'm about to molly. Who gonna stop me? Ain't seeing nobody. Came in the Benz, pull off in a Rari. I'm gonna be straight, take care of the fam, make sure that they this shit so.
If you fuck with reps, you fuck with sneakers, you just fuck with me. Or if you fuck with not paying $1,000 on a pair of rubber and plastic mixed together with some canvas, go ahead and like that video, subscribe for me, and leave a comment on what sneaker y'all want to see next. Your boy is back. Hopefully we can run it up for 2025. And yeah, man, I'm gonna put y'all onto some good sauce. But you feel me? Got that good chrome now. You forgot what y'all rock. Yo, got that good chrome now. Good old chrome now. Upside down, cuz to my neck. Shut up. So yeah, go ahead and drop a like for your boy, and I'll see y'all in the next video.